Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for a fun new unboxing and try-on featuring the brand new 20th anniversary JuJuBe Tokidoki print. I'm super excited to open this one. And I just wanted to say a big happy birthday to JuJuBe. I cannot believe you guys have been in business for 20 years. That's amazing. They've had so many amazing prints over the years. And as a lot of you guys know, a lot of my favorites being Tokidoki. So I love that they partnered with Tokidoki to celebrate this special occasion. I'm a longtime JuJuBe fan starting all the way back in 2011. So I am really excited that they sent me some of their bags to share with you guys for this release. And before we get started, I wanted to ask you guys, what was your very first JuJuBe bag purchase and what print? My very first JuJuBe purchase was actually in 2011 when I was pregnant with my first child, and it was a Cobalt Blossoms Passy Pod. And of course I expanded much further down the road with JuJuBe once I had my second child, then everything just went down the rabbit hole with that one. So let's get started. This print actually releases on August 26th, so you guys are getting a little sneak peek here before it releases. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me when the time comes. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys, and you can shop through that anytime, and it just helps support my channel. So thank you guys, everybody who always shops through there. All right, we've got the front of the box open. It's a good sized box. I've got, I think, 3 bags in here to share with you guys. There we go. Oh, I love these. I love these boxes. Got my scissors down real quick. So this is what it looks like. And my kids love these JuJuBe boxes. They use them to store all kinds of things. So this is what my special box looks like. I cannot wait to open this. I've only seen pictures of it, so I'm excited to see it in person. Here we go. It's so bright and cheery. I love it. And I believe there's no like specific name for this print except for the 20th anniversary JuJuBe Tokidoki collab print. So that's what that says there. So cute. That is so cute. I'm so excited for them. Oh, I love the tag. It's big and it's like a cupcake. I love this. Like, one of my favorite things is actually funfetti. Anything funfetti. So funfetti prints, birthday cake related things. This is completely like birthday party. I love it. Oh, and I have a brand new style in here to share with you guys too. I will save that for later. But the very first thing that I have in here is actually their Crossbody sling, which I love this style. Here we go. And I'm gonna try on all of these for you guys at the very end. So hopefully that helps. Whoops, let's get the tag out of there. So this is the front. Isn't that the cutest? I haven't even gotten to look at my print placement. I was just super excited to share with you guys. It's really cute. I don't have Donatella on the very front, but I do have a couple of her friends and they look so cute. I especially love the print placement with the balloons. Now on the back, I actually have a picture of Donatella. She's like Princess or Queen Donatella there at the bottom. Isn't that so cute? She's got a throne and everything. I love that. And a milkshake in one hand. There's so many cute characters. I have got to show you guys. I'm going to take this sticker off so I can show you really well. And I'm going to put this box down for a sec. But I want to show you guys this tag. Can you see that okay? It's a little big for me, but it's super cute. I love the cupcake. So cute. And it's just the right shade of like bubblegum pink. So that is the Crossbody sling. And that's just a great bag for taking to like theme parks or Quick Trip's diaper bag to the store and things like that. So I love that style. And I want to share with you guys also these tags. I don't know if there's different ones on each bag, but that's what I have on this one. So cute. I love the 20th birthday zipper pull. All right, another bag that I have in here is the Everyday Mini. And that's another one of my favorites. I take this one all kinds of places. This one's really cute. And I have Donatella on the front of this one, so that makes me happy. Also, one of the things that I really like about this print is that they paired it with this really pretty blue color. It's like a nice light colored sky blue. See? Try to get my face out of there. There you go. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. And I'm going to open up the inside of this one because I think it'll be easier to see. But this is my print placement. Isn't that cute? I'm obsessed. Oh, you know, color-wise, it reminds me of Toki Pops a little bit. But the print I actually prefer a lot more. It's so cute, so pink, and I love pink. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, I love this zipper pull. It's probably my favorite one I've seen so far. Can you guys see that okay? Oh, it's a purple uni, I love it. All right, let's go ahead on the inside. It's got that really pretty sky blue lining, and then it also has the number 20. It has like the cosmic kitty. It has Sandy with a birthday hat. It's just really bright and cheery, and I think it really complements this print. Look at that. It looks really cute together. One of the things that I normally get when I do these videos is actually the Be set, but today I wanted to focus on mostly bags for you guys because I feel like that's mostly what people are gonna get. But I usually do get the Be set, and I love them so much, so definitely get one of those if you decide to shop this release. I have two. Oh, they gave me another laundry bag. I love those. This is the new bag I'm going to save for last. I also have the Be Zealous backpack here, which is one of my favorite JuJuBe styles because it just holds a ton. So if you're a first-time parent and you're just packing up your bag with all the essentials, this is a great style. Here you go. Isn't that super cute? I'm just seeing more and more characters that I absolutely love, and this colorway is just so cute. There's so much dessert, you guys. I love it. I'm seeing like ice cream, popcorn, milkshakes, lollipops, just donuts. It's so sweet. I love it. So there's my print placement on the front pocket, and the top. See if we have any new zipper pulls here. I have another one of the purple unis. I love that one. That is so cute. So let's go ahead and open this one up real quick so you guys can see what the inside looks like. This one also comes with a light change pad. So there you go. But look how nice that looks together. Love it. This is the back of the bag. The whole back of the back has the print as well. So this is actually a really good look at what the bag looks like on a larger scale with the print. So you guys can hopefully see really well what the print looks like. And I'd love to know what your favorite print placement is on this 20th anniversary collection. I haven't decided what mine is yet. I'm loving this 20th anniversary birthday cake because it's massive. But I don't know, like normally I would go with Donatella, and she is on the front of this bag a couple times, and she has actually really good print placement, but I don't know, there's just so many other cute things too. It's really hard to choose. And I really like this character, the little bunny girl. She's always been one of my favorites. So that is the Be Zealous, you guys. Love it. Remember to stay tuned for the end because I will be trying these on so you guys can get an idea of how big they are and how they wear. So this is the final piece. This is their new mini star bag, which I love for their 20th anniversary because if you guys have been following JuJuBe for like any amount of time, you know that one of their big things, that is perfect print placement, one of their big things that they have kind of always had in the brand is their JuJuBe star. So I love that, and I don't know if this is intentional print placement or not, but I mean, I don't think it could get any better than that. Look at that. How cute is that? I love that. And then on the other side, I actually really love this ice cream cone with the penguin on top. That is so cute. But basically, this is just a tiny little bag, and it has a little clip here. You guys can see that. So you can clip it onto your bag. And I cannot wait to open it and see if there's like anything cool in here. Let's see. It's just empty. So I'm not sure what you would put in here. You could probably put a couple of passies in here. Chapstick, like literally anything. And if you wanted to give this to your child too, like if you had a little girl that really wanted to match mommy, this would be a really cute option just to put her chapsticks and her hair ties and all that stuff in. But I love this. That is such a cute thing. And I just love this print placement. It's perfect. So now that we have gone over all of the bags that I've received, I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you. But first, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and fun, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.